Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'll be making some taco bites. So I'm using ground beef. I seasoned it. Once it was done, I went ahead and cut the tortillas into square shaped pieces. So this is how they should look. And then I'm gonna put them in a pan. So I'm just gonna be filling each one up, then put it in the oven. Add the ground beef in, add some cheese on top, put it back in the oven for the cheese to melt. Once it was done, I went ahead and put lettuce on top. Now I'm adding tomatoes, adding some sour cream, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks.